akan ni ka aku praterik jonggu menai September arhajar apulai ketika singi sedang jongka international conference arhajar apulai ka pemeniat dan ka department jongka sociology, department philosophy haringkat ke jinga trelang ru jongka IQAC jongka college badru ka office of national affairs jongka nehu kabala long mentah ke singi hakaba ka team jong kani ka conference kadai halor ka urban imaginaries, indigenous cultures and social policies in the context of Meghalaya and Northeast India. Dia kani ka sngi ka program ka lalong bejok hakaba ngilayoi ya lainut ki keynote speaker ki bawan na Shiliang jong Duriaw iway na po United States of America Professor Wesley Bishop iway na po Sweden, Dr. Adelida, but iway na po ka University of Chiang Mai, Thailand, Professor Unan. Te nalor kini ki laingot ki keynote speakers ki bawan, ni don ki participants, dan ni kinong Iashim Bynta ki ban present ki paper hakini ki laisngi, kabay day bat ka team jong ka conference, hakaba ki ladon ki scholars, ki academicians, ki professors, na kajela kajongi na kani kathan chate lamingi batru na kari India kajongi la kadai na sathi satai namini sasami tengi I kani ka conference ka jingstang joka kalong ka bejok bat ngingit skan ba kani ka conference kan yak bet bro laisngi klam kanu ka jing betut haringkat ka jing ku bejok lai
ka Ribhoi College lingba ka department jong ka sociology philosophy bat ka IQAC jong ka Ribhoi College ha ka jinges nok tilang bat ka office jong ka international affair nehu kala penlong ya ka international conference ka banne laisngi ya ka bala yo ban sedang menta ka sngi ka arpho pratarik nailor bat an penkot ha ka laipo tarik nailor ka badai halor ka phang urban imaginaries, indigenous cultures and social philosophy in the context of Meghalaya ya ka bala penlong ha plau jong ka Ribhoi College ha kani ka conference kila penlong ru ya ka panel discussion halor ka phang identify and belonging how urbanization impact indigenous communities in Meghalaya ha ka bala Bynta dau James PK Sangma chairman MIDC Shiliang ba Alan 3F Dhar co-chairman state level public grievance committee government Meghalaya badu Professor Prasenjit Biswa officer in charge OIA Nehu kibalong kum kinong Iashim Bynta ha katai ka panel discussion panelists ha kani ka sngi ba penyat sings EMCEM KHADC ulalong kum ukong san ha ka jinga don rengkat lang ba man bhalang Marius Imli assistant professor department of philosophy Ribhoi College Professor Sanjeev Kakoti strategy and liberal studies IIM Shillong EC Beni principal Ribhoi College uba langsti menteri Hima Melim uba MB Tongper ADC Ribhoi, Jawan Bansan Langsti Assistant Professor Department Sociology Ribhoi College, ba SR Baman ex-principal Ribhoi College, lembat ki riu Syampang, ki nong hikai, bat ki kena pule jong ka Ribhoi College. La sakhiru ha kani ka sngi da ka jingwan bani Bynta lang da ki riu Syampang ki balawan na syabar jong ka ri India, ki bakentop ya ka Dr. Adelaida Caballero, Uppsala University, Sweden, Wesley R. Bishop Jacksonville State University, Atlanta, USA, but Professor Pia But Sumetikan Assistant Professor Department of Philosophy, Jong ka Chiang Mai University, Thailand, ki ban Shim ya ka Bynta kum ki keynote speaker Jong ka take a conference.
can safely say that urbanization is the growth of towns and cities owing to the migration of the rural populace to urban areas with the hope of a better life. I would like to stress on two main factors which has an impact of urban migration in Khasi Hills. That is number one, landlessness, and number two, greater employment opportunity. On landlessness, and insofar as the Khasi Autonomous District Council is concerned, I take this opportunity to inform this gathering that our council has enacted the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Regulation and Administration of Land Act 2021 with the objective to codify and make provisions for the regulation and administration of land in harmony with the prevailing practice of land tenure system in Khasi Hills District without deviating from the existing customary practices. Among other things, the Land Act 2021 served to address the following issues on landlessness. Multiple ownership of land is prevalent in real right land, especially in Ribhoi areas, which resulted in many dispute and litigation. The Act has addressed this issue by making it mandatory for the Darbar Shilong, the Raj and the Chief and his Darbar to keep proper records of all the lands, and all records shall be available with the District Council, along with survey maps and record of land title rights. All land documents issued which are not in consonance with the provision of this Act shall be declared illegal and void. Insofar as recantee land or private land is concerned, the Act facilitates the owners to record the land by way of survey and proper demarcation in the form of a record of land title rights issued by the District Council. The Act 2021 provides the District Council with statutory binding force and even evidentiary value in the eyes of the law in respect of all classes of lands within the Khasi Hills Autonomous District, more particularly defined under Para 20 of the 6th Schedule to the Constitution of India.